Thank you once again for watching our videos here at National Gear. Please do not forget to subscribe to this video channel to receive all new updates of other waukesha pumps that will be repaired in the future. As you've seen here clearly, we manufactured brand new gearing, spur gears. These gears was in bad shape. Backlash would have not been correct. So we manufactured two new gears, exact same spec, Bernil hardness, Rockwell hardness. Had a considerable savings from buying new. We replaced all bearings and seals, OEM bearings and seals. The faceplate will be lightly ground here to have a smooth, nice, tight finish. The rotors will be machined properly to fit. Bearing areas look okay. Please stay tuned.